Hi everybody, this is Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a very special home listing tour today. Today I'm at 8136 Gladwater Road. This is a beautiful property located in Woodmen Hills, located in Falcon, just about 8 miles east of the Powers Corridor. Falcon's a great neighborhood with easy access to good shopping, restaurants. Woodmen Hills has walking trails, parks. In fact, this home does back to open space and one of the great community parks. And one of the special things about this property is that it's in original Woodmen Hills, which actually has 0 HOA. There's no additional homeowners association fees to maintain the parks, trails, all that kind of fun stuff. This property is over 2,600 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You've got a great attached 2-car garage. You've got a fantastic brick fascia along with the wood, so it really gives it some nice pop. And again, located with a great lot, walkout basement that the back of the house walks out to the local park and open space. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Now when you enter the home, you're greeted immediately by some beautiful wood flooring, and the homeowners have done a great job matching a beautiful light laminate to the original wood flooring. Just off the entry, you've got a fantastic formal living room with beautiful vaulted ceilings, and you notice all of the windows in the house are double pane vinyl, really energy efficient and high quality. As you come back here to the main living area, you've got a great kitchen, dining space, and family room area. Kitchen's got stainless steel appliances, it's got a great pantry, plenty of counter space with beautiful tile countertops, and the kitchen overlooks that open space and into the backyard. The dining area has hardwood floors as well and walks out to a composite deck. Family room's got a great ceiling fan, and it's got a fantastic brick-clad gas fireplace with a mantle. The main level also has a laundry space and a half bath. Going upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 spacious secondary bedrooms, and you've also got a great master suite that does have its own attached bath and big walk-in closet. It's a spacious master suite with good closet space and a lot of good room to work with. Now the basement on this home was unpermitted, so we're not really charging for it, but it is fully finished correctly with floating floors, and has done a really nice job. It's got a great rec room when you enter the basement, a lot of space for a TV area, for a pool table, for a billiards room, and it's even got a great wet bar and entertainment space in the back. It's got a 3/4 bathroom downstairs, and it's also got a 4th bedroom tucked off as well. The basement does walk out to the backyard also. You've got a great patio space when you walk out, and again, a huge backyard with lots of mature trees, fully fenced, and a lot of place for you to grow and set that place up correctly back there. Get it looking the way you want it to, for sure. Like with all my homes, this home does come with a 14-month home warranty, transferable to the homeowner upon closing. So you get a great house, you also get the fantastic peace of mind that comes with that warranty. For more information on 8136 Gladwater, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Or for a private tour of 8136 Gladwater Road, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888.